we're going to dinner at LaRosa's. Ooh, look outside, Poppy. Yeah, it's so pretty. Well, not pretty, but look at outside. Whoa, look outside. Yeah, we only see the top of the trees. The ground's so messy, though. I don't know. Whoa, look at outside. Yeah. What does that sign say? I don't know, we're at a stoplight.
All right, children, we're here. I'm gonna drop you off, and I will be back in 1 hour. You better eat healthy.
There's that for you guys. And your server will be right with you.
Thank you.
Wonder what to get first. Ooh, crowns. Tic-tac-toe, you wanna play? Okay, I'll be.
Hi guys, my name is Carlos.
We're both gonna have a chocolate milk to share, and then fries and chicken nuggets. Mom said we need to eat healthy. You're not supposed to tell him. Anyways, I beat you. What for the menus? Whoa, this menu's huge. This is why it's called the huge restaurant. Yeah, milk at that. Well, wait, why are we looking at it if we already ordered?
I can take that for you.
Oh, we just gotta wait for the food. Here you go. Look how big this chocolate milk is. You're pushing down the straw. I know. Your turn. Wait, there's no more. Well, I guess we had the last of it. Oh, here's some water. At least there's some water. Oh no, I dropped some on my skirt. My turn. Let's see how this looks really good. Oh no. Dip it in. Poppy, are you gonna begin on yours? I'm already eating them. 4, so each get 2. Last one. Well, we better go. Let's go pay. Ooh, look at these educational crackers. This could be my homework. Because they're educational. Oh well, we can eat them in the car. We're leaving.
All right, girls, did you have a good dinner?
Yeah.
Tell me about what you ate.
Chocolate milk, chicken nuggets, and fries.
Okay, and where's the healthy part?
Let's fit. Tomatoes, broccoli.
Good. Very good. Wait, what?
What?
LaRosa's doesn't serve broccoli.
They
You're
do.
making that up.
They do. They told me. I didn't think that, but when they suggested it, we said yes.
Oh, well, maybe they'll start putting it on the menu more often then.
We were fibbing. Well, we also had potato.
Well, how was it cooked?
I don't know.
You don't know how it was cooked?
I
Did it
don't.
come mashed?
I don't know. All it was.
Did it look like a potato?
No, it looked like a fry.
Well, yeah. I don't think that counts. I will give you 1 point for that. 1 out of 10 for that.
It's funny. Is that what I think it is? Target sign! Target! 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 Target!
Settle down, children. There will be no targets at night.
Why? Should tell the truth, Lucky. Yeah, maybe we should tell the truth. Fine. Target isn't the best. Fibbeat is not good. And fries aren't really healthy. I mean, they're baked out of potatoes, but they make the potato not healthy. So, do not do any of that. Ooh, forest. Look at the wall. Whoa. Wait, did that tree just have that in it? Look at all this. What's on the other window? Ooh, look at that window.
We shall find out. Hold on, we're trying to break this. Nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna step back in case it tries to. Step back, stay back, Kate. It flies and hits our head. This thing, we even drop. You want to drop a weight?
And I lined up for the pitch.
Here, you want to try to drop a weight on it?
Make sure to drop it on the geode, okay? Oh!
Did it? You did?
Don't throw it at it
Awesome.
more, okay? Hey.
Watch it. Watch for feet. I would step back.
Ooh.
Do we got anything?
Finally broke it.
Oh my goodness, that's so pretty.
You guys want this?
Yeah.
Then you can pop this part off.
Oh,
It would be
thank
beautiful.
you.
I'll break it.
No, don't drop, break it.
Here I
The wrong one. Ups.
Please don't throw this. I'm just going to tell you this. Please don't throw this.
You gotta work on your aim.
That's the reason. Work on your aim. You might have hit one of those or one of those. Jeez.
I think she just needs a chance. I think she just needs one chance, right?
I ain't give her a chance.
Why? She just needs one chance. I believe in you.
I don't.